my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here, and welcome to today's extreme bathroom clean with me. If this is the first time you're joining me on my channel, hi, my name is Ashley. I'm a mum to 2 girls and I love my bathroom. This is where I start my day, this is where I end my day, and walking into like a clutter zone is very anxiety driven for me. It needs to be a calm, safe, very aesthetically pleasing area, and that's what we need to tackle today, because this is what I walked in on this morning and we're not having it. So how I am just tackling this for the moment is getting all of the clutter out of the way, putting it where it should be, so I can organize it later. I'm doing a very rough wipe down at the moment of the space because there was a bunch of Dylan's beard hair from when he was shaving. There's toothpaste, just general dust. So that's what I'm doing. I've just cleared the space. I'm getting rid of all the washing, anything that's gonna like make me anxious as I'm cleaning or make me feel like it's not clean, gotta go. My next plan of action is just to go over the area with this BAM soap scum remover, especially with all the condensation and how it drips when like I don't keep the fan on for maybe as long as I should in the bathroom. But all the areas like the nooks and crannies needed a good dust. So we're actually going to tackle doing this vanity area as best as I can, and we're going to move down into the drawers and the cupboards for a good declutter and organization.
I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime momos. We were in too deep in your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
We have tackled the tiled wall, and I'm going over the vanity for a final time with a microfiber cloth and that Co-Universal cleaner. I love the shine it gives on the chrome, but it's a good opportunity to make sure I removed all of that BAM soap scum remover.
Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young.
This is half my doing and it's half my toddler's doing. I obviously didn't put foundation everywhere all over my stuff, but the untidiness of the factor is my doing. So I need to tackle this because half my makeup is in here and half of it's in the car. I don't even want to tackle the stuff in the car because in here is already just a mess. So I'm excited to get this under control.
Everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move.
The little brush you see me using here just to remove all the dust off the back of my hairdryer, that's just from an electric razor kit. You would know if you've ever bought an electric razor, male, female, whatever, they usually come with a little brush to remove hair out of the blade, so to speak, and I just keep them. I keep them for all sorts of things around the house, and this is one of them.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Why can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Maybe when I love you, tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
Unless you're new here, you know that Coco and Eve is my favorite tan, but my favorite brand for the actual applicators to put your tan on come from Bondi Sands. That black thing you're seeing me replace the padding on is just a back applicator for your tan. So handy, so convenient, and yeah, it comes with replacement pads. Once I finish off this cupboard, we're actually going to move on to the bath, and then we're going to move on to the shower. Very exciting, but we're going to be doing floors, we're going to be doing walls. I have so much more motivation coming up for you, so I'm so glad you're still here. If you are still here, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe if you're not already.
Doing it wrong, baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
My 2-year-old daughter has eczema, so what you're seeing me do here is just replenish the oats container. I take a whole bunch of oats, I blend them up, and I like to put them in a very fine mesh laundry bag. I put probably about 2 cups in a laundry bag, and I place it into her warm bath. This is great if she's experiencing a flare-up, or I know I'm going to be taking her to the swimming pool or something like that. Great for, yeah, just all around eczema issues. If you haven't done an oat bath with your child and they experience issues, highly recommend. You guys have to tell me if you don't keep a random butter knife around just for removing candle wax or getting into grouts, that sort of thing. Tell me what you use, because that's what I use. This sea salt and coconut candle is from the Reject Shop, and I was impressed for the price. You know, I think it was like $6, and yeah, it smells great.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Another fantastic product from Co is this grout cleaner. I love it also for the grip feature. It feels like I'm never getting product on my actual hands, which is great. And I feel like it gets the entire surface of a wall or a bathtub, shower wall really well. It's, the grout cleaner from Co. I will have an affiliate link down in the description box below. That does mean I make a small commission if you choose to purchase from it. It doesn't make your purchase any more expensive. It's just for the fact that I'm advertising it on my channel. This is no way sponsored either. I just genuinely love the Co brand.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling.
It may not look like much to you guys, but I'm quite impressed with myself with how much I was able to declutter today. And I wanted to show you a brand new purchase that I did get. I got a towel warmer. It was $5 on Facebook Marketplace. In the UK, you guys have radiators, that sort of thing. We just don't have them here in Australia because we're probably more likely to have an aircon unit than a radiator. They're really only in schools, as far as I'm aware in my experience, but I love radiators. When I own my own home, I'm gonna have them in every room of the house. But for the meantime, I have bought a portable heated towel rack. It just changes the game for our spa days on Sundays, I tell you what. I've grabbed my essential oils, the bicarb soda. We're going to clean the drains, and I wanted to show you guys my cleaning stockpile that I've started. Very slow, very small at the moment, but we're getting there. I'm excited to have this completely full one day. As you guys would know if you're not new here, we're going to be moving soon, so this is a temporary one, but yeah, just slowly starting a stockpile. If you guys have made it this far into the video, you have no idea how much I appreciate you, and I hope you enjoyed the video enough to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up, and yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see the finished result in a moment. And yeah, have a great rest of your day. I love you. Bye.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.